Florida isn't just dealing with the virus. We've got an opioid crisis as well that we're attacking head on with a new approach, thanks to an influx of cash from the government and a new pilot program. 10 Tampa Bay's Madison Allworth spoke to two local moms about their son's experiences and why they are hopeful programs like this, the Support Communities program, can change the outcome for so many other families.
My son, his name was Joseph, my only child. He was 29 years old.
Joseph was prescribed opioids.
He was a welder rebuilding the World Trade Center, Freedom Towers, and fell off a scaffold, which broke his back in 3 places.
A prescription turned into a problem that led to 8 months of treatment.
About $40,000 of that came out of, our family's pocket to help him because he saw his addiction and wanted to correct it.
Other families don't get a chance at recovery.
His smile, I miss his hugs. It's hard thinking that I'll never hear him again, sound of his voice.
Mary Beth lost her son, Ryan.
I'm grateful that I live in Florida and that we're part of this process because we're losing too many people.
$5 million from the U.S. Department of Labor will go towards creating an opioid recovery program focusing on workforce development. Mary Beth says her son could have used that help.
He wanted to be clear. He wanted recovery, but I don't think he knew how to access the resources where he lived.
Renee's son could have been a great opioid counselor, one of the jobs this pilot program is planning to train people for. It maybe could have made a difference.
He went back to work too soon.
4 days after restarting work, Joseph passed away from an accidental fentanyl overdose. It's too late for Ryan and Joseph, but their moms hope this program can help others.
I do not want to see another mom go through what I go through.
The help is coming at a time when Floridians need it most. Opioid overdoses are up on average this year. In Hillsborough County, there have already been 313 accidental opioid overdoses this year compared to 289 for all of 2019. Now, whether it's addiction or mental health during this pandemic, know you have options no matter what your financial situation is. These phone numbers are a lifesaver. Try and save them. The Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration has a free national hotline that's available 24/7 every single day of the year. That's 1-800-662-HELP. If you're in emotional distress, the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline is here to help as well. 1-800-273-TALK. There's also the Crisis Center of Tampa Bay. All you have to do there is just simply dial 211.